Hello guys, welcome in today's lesson with the Unza Graduate. In today's lesson, we are going to look at social studies, external grade 9. We are going to just focus on the map reading part, which is on section A. So this is the front page, as you can see. So I won't waste much of your time. We are going to go straight to the section A, which is 40 marks. There's even an example for you, but we are going straight to the question, which is saying study the map extract for Kapiriposhi and answer questions 1 to 6. So it's saying answer question 1 to 6. So according to question 1, what is the 6-figure grid reference of the area photo 62? So there were multiple choice here, A to D. So we are going to look at this map reading. This is the map reading. You can look at the map reading. So the lines which are going like this, the lines which are going like this, which are straight, they are called the north eastings. Then the line which are going like this, they are called the we call them northings. They are called eastings because this one are called easting because the moment they are increasing as they are going to the east. You can see as they are going to the east like this, they are increasing. But these are called northings. These lines which are going like this are called northings because as they are going to the north, they are increasing. You can see. So I won't waste much of your time. I will go straight to the point. So if you want to answer this question, talking about area of photo 60, 62, you have to go to the what? To the key here. You have to look for the symbol of the area photo. The symbol of the area photo is the here. Area photo principal point with film number. This is the star. So they are to this star represent the area photo. So you have to go to check for the area photo. When you check very well in this past paper, you are going to find that the area photo 62 is found here. It's here. So when you check very well, you find that it is in the line, in this line, Eastings line 76. So you are going to say it is in Easting line 76. So you say 76. So the first thing for us to find the 6 grids difference, you have to find the Eastings. Then the position where it's located in the Eastings, you put a dash. So this is an exact line where it's located, 76. Now I want to find the position. So for us to find the position, we have to go to the meter reading. So you have to follow these small digits now. These are meters from here to here is 1,000. So you say you start from here, you shade. You just follow what I'm doing. You shade. So after shading, you have to take it now to the same location that you have been told to find, which is the area 62. So we have counted. We are going to use this digits now, the numbers which are in meters from the scale. So now we'll go to the same location, the area 62, which is here. So we put it on the we put it on the scale here. So you can even put it here, you lift it on top. You can count now. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's supposed to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 here. supposed to be 7 this position. So you put it here 7. Like we have already found this number for the easting line, which is here. This line for the easting 76. Then this position that we have found is for the easting line, which is 0.8 or 0.7. Supposed to be on 0.7. So now we go now to the nothings. So the nothings is a line which is this line which is down the area what 72 or 62, which is 58. It is in the line nothings is 62. So you write 62 here. After writing 62, you also have to find the position of the same nothings. Now you have to put it the way it is now. You put like this. Exactly the box. So if you want, you can come here. Then you count starting from there. You'll be going on top. Kai, you are going to the north. You say 1, 2, 3, 4, which is here 4. You say you put 4 here on the last digit. So you're going to say this is the 60 grid reference for area what 62. You check here on the multiple choice. So according to the multiple choice here, you find that the answer supposed to be 58 here, not 62. 58. When you see here earlier, 62 is on grid. It's going grid what 58. You can see here on grid 58. So the answer is supposed to be C. C. So now second question. It was saying the distance of the Tazam Railway from the district boundary in grid 8358 to the end of the grid square 8559. So there are multiple choices here. So but the question was saying in grid it talked about you can say 83. Say they say 83 58 to 8559. So you have to go on the map here. You have to go on the map. You look for 80. You have to look for 83. The nothing 83 is here. This is the line. You have to be going. Go. It said 8358. 8358 is supposed to be here. This is 8358. This is a Tazam Railway. It also so this is here, and also it talked about 2 85 59. So 85, you have to, as I will just hold the point here. It talked about 85. So this is 85. 85. It says 85 59. You have to go down now. 85 59. It is here. This is a grid of 85 59. So that means they want you to find the distance starting from here to here. That's the distance I want you to find. If you want, you can just use the loop. You put a loop here, you bend it the way it is, the line is, then you just take it on the meter, or you can just do it like this. You can just do like this. You can use this thing. You can say you start from the last here. You have to start from here. Here. You see? Then you, as long as the line is bending, you must also be bending also. You bend, again you do like this. It's bending here. You do like this. Bend. The moment it bends like this, you put it bend again. And that you are putting to my dots here, so that whenever it's bending, you put like a dot. So the distance is from here to here. So you go to the map, to the meter here. You put it here. It was the distance from here to here. You can see it. This is the meter here. The distance from here to here. So now it's passing 3 kilometers. So you have to shade where there's 3 kilometers. You shade like this. This is the balance here. So that means it's 3 kilometers. Then there's like a remaining small figure. You have to put it on the small scale now. You measure on the small scale. So it is just, here is one box representing 10. It represents 1. So for these are meters. From here to here, you see, 1,000 kilometers. So here just represents 10 kilometers, 10,000 meters here. So it represents just 1 here. So on the scale, when you go here, so you see, you are going to say it will be 3 kilometers, 0.1. So if it was supposed to be maybe here, suppose you could, if it was up to, if this remaining figure here, it was supposed to be here, you could have said the 3.2. If it's here 3.3, if you see here 3.4, you see 3.5. So now the answer here is supposed to be D, 3.1. 3.1. You can see this is 3.1. So now, according to the next question, the question was saying, study the following map extract and answer question 3. So you can see, according to the grid reference, there is 80 to 83. So when you go on your map reading, they are talking about the area that they are talking about here is this area to this area, 80 to 83. So now they also said, according to the nothings 64 line, you have to go 64. It means 80 to 83. Then you end at the nothing line 64. So that means it means like this. It means like this now. 80 to 83. You have to stop on the line 64. Nothing 64. This is the nothing 64. You can even see it here. 64. It is 64 here. 64. So, but our main part is 80 to 83 to 64. This is the area they are talking about. So now let us see the question. It's saying, question 3 now. What physical feature is shown in the extract? A. Embankment. B. Escarpment. C. Hills. D. Outcrop. So, like I've said, guys, they are talking about this area, 80 to 83 to this area. So this is the thing that they extracted from the map, this thing. So at what was the thing that was extracted from this map? So you have to go on the map leading here. You have to look for something that looks like this. What is this? What is the meaning of this? What, according to the key, what does this represent? You have to go to the key. You begin to check on the key here. Like you can see the key on the key here. There's no that thing that looks like that one. But let's try to look the other side. There is this thing. When you look at this thing called the outcrop rock, you can even look. You can see that figure here. That's how it looks like. So the answer here is supposed to be outcrop rock, D. So question 4. What is the bearing of Kaseya village in Grid Square 7958 from Chansa village in Grid Square 7755? So you can slide it. They're talking about 7058 from 7755. So now you're going to put a map. They're talking about it. The question is talking about the bearing of Kaseya village. Kaseya village is here. This is Kaseya village according to the grid. The Kaseya village in grid 7958. So it's here in 7958. This is the village they're talking about. Is here. And the Chansa village, it is in 7755. Chansa village is here. This is the point. Here to here. They want you to find the bearing. So here you're going to use. So guys, what you need to do, you have to say Chansa village to Kaseya is here. This is the village they're talking about. This is the point. So this is the point for Kaseya village, and this is the point for Chansa village. You can just do it like this using your ruler on the map reading. You can do it the way I'm doing it. So as you can see, you have used your ruler from Chansa. So this is Kaseya, this is Chansa. So you can to see the question now. The question was talking about what is the bearing of Kaseya in Grid Square? This from Chansa. So Chansa is here. So you have to make a north now here. Using your rule, you make a north straight. You say north, south. When you look at this angle, they are saying the bearing of Kaseya village from Chansa. Chansa is here on the point here. This is Chansa village. So that means you're coming from Chansa, you're going to Kaseya. This is the point for Chansa. You start from here. You say Chansa to Kaseya. This is the bearing they want you to find. This angle. So when you look at this angle, exactly, that means when you make a 360 angle, when you make this half a circle, it will make a 360. but you know that this angle is more than 90 degree. The angle that they are looking for is just this angle. When you go on the multiple choice, there is 30, 60, 90. That means C and D can never be the answer. The only answer can be 30 or 60. So you can use, if you want, you can use your protractor here. You put it here on the protractor. You put it like this. You put it straight. The village straight. You start from 0. You start from 0 to this number. It can show that it's on 30. So this angle starting from, this is the north to the to this angle which is here. The angle is on 30. This angle is on 30. Here to here is on 30 degrees. So the answer supposed to be here A. So that's the answer. So our next question is question 5. The question was saying the general flow of Mushilambiri River is dash. So A, northeast to southwest. B, northwest to southwest. Southeast to northwest. Southwest to northeast. So when you go on the map reading here, you will find that the Mushilambiri River is this one, which was coming from here. When you look at the river they are talking about, it is this river. As you can see, that this river was starting from here, then was flowing now, flowing to different areas. It was going like this. It was going like this. It started from here. It was going from like this. Then it started spreading to other parts. So now they wanted you to say the general flow of Mushilambiri River. So this side where it started, you can see it started here, the corner of the map here. This is the corner. And when you get a compass, when you make a compass like this, you say like this: north, south, west, east. So you understand that it's on top of the map. It started on top of the map, and it started on top of the map and to the east side here. This is the east side, the north, the east side. It was flowing, going downward to the west side. It was going downward. It was going to the south, to the west side. It was going this side. So the answer here, you can even see it, the way it was going. It was going like this. It was going to the south down, but to the west side. So you say north. It started from the north east to south west, going down to the west. So you say the answer is A. So question 6. According to map evidence, what are the 2 common modes of transport? Kapiriponshi. A, air and road. B, air and water. C, railway and road. D, railway and water. So when you go on this map, you have to go first. The Kapiriponshi they are talking about, Kapiriponshi is this one. So Kapiriponshi, there is this road which was called you were told that this is the Tanzam railway. So this is you can see this is a railway for Kapiriposhi is here, and it's surrounded by this this one, and also this one, and there is also this one. So we want to know what is this and what is this on the map, on the scale. So here on the key, they are talking about these things. This one, this one, this one. So this one, it is this one on the map here, which is surrounded by Kapiriposhi. When you go on the map, on the key, all these three are, when you look at them very clearly, they are all roads. There is this road many-tiered with cavity. The other type of road is this one, the one we are talking about, regularly maintained with bridge. So this one has got bridge. Maintained with causeway is this one. So now, so that means all these are roads, and this one is a railway. So when you go on the multiple choice, now, you'll find that the answer is supposed to be railway and the road. C. That's the answer, C. So we have come to the last, to the end of our video. Don't forget, guys, to like my video and like my video and subscribe to my video. Your support will be highly appreciated. If you have got any challenge, any problem, you can write in the comment below. You must always remember the Unza Graduate, where lessons never stops. Thank you guys for watching my video.